Sôm chùm rệp xúa đào xa thiên nạ chốn nâng nẹ xa bom miền chiết nâng ân trả chiết chi tì rộp án. Nơi ngày ní niên nhóm sôm thưa bạch bàn phiếp ẩm pi sát thana cá nị cá liên biên rồi bỏ vô thiên thái một lư đai nạ thập tay rồi bỏ Campuchia nơi nông vô tập hùng phiệ tỷ 4 nâng tỷ 5 kết chập nơi ngày tỷ đập 5 khai thân nú năm pi pon một phẩy 5 ní đai chỉ ngày tỷ 4 hời chà. Phía kỳ thái nơi tài bần to rùm lô bồng biến lỡ bọt chụp bánh nâng xịt đây thay ca rùm sẽ đầy bị kích prom priêng sẵn tiếp hiếp rồi viên Campuchia Thái đại phía kỳ tầng pi ban cho hạt lệ khá ca bị ngày ti một phây pram muối khai tổ lá nằm pi pon một phây pram sẽ tham ca ông pi ca cùng riêng cùng hay nâng ca liên biên rồi bọ phía kỳ thái nơi đầm bon môi chùm nuốn không đai là thập tay rồi bọ Campuchia ti mùi sẽ tham ca cho mốc được không sờ mò phum cho tập phum phía tỷ 4 miền sập hiệp ngập ngắt bần tài con cầm lăng rồi bỏ dương nơi bần to tam đan dạng dốc chất tục đá nâng prongประหยัด khu chính nick nơi không ca bầm pin tuôn để tí phía cách cả pía ở thập tay rồi bỏ Campuchia tí pìสถานการณ์ชั่วโมกในขนมสมรภูมิตือยุทธภูมิเพียตีพรำเพียกีไทยบานบรรโตบัญประหารหมกเลือกัมพูชีเกิดจับตังปีเวลียมองดับปรำมวยหนังโซนโซเนตีโรเซียลไงตีดับบุญไข่ธนูนำปีปอนมาไผ่พรำรอโฮดดอลเวลียมองปรำใบหนังโซนโซเนตีปรักไงตีดับพรำไข่ธนูนำปีปอนมาไผ่พรำสมจุมเรียบจูนพองดาท้าในโรเซียลไงเวลียมองดับปรำมวยหนัง50 ปรำใบเนตีโยเทียไทยบานบันโตบันพลาวโจลภูมิศาสตร์บังตระกูลในเวลียมองดับปรำหนัง30 ใบเนตีรหดดอลมองดับปรำใบหนังปรำปีเนตีโยเทียไทยบานบันโตบันพลาวโจลขนงภูมิศาสตร์ภูมิปริจันในเวลียมองดับปรำใบหนัง30 ปรำใบเนตีโยเทียไทยบานปราบปราดโดรนฮอรุมโลบโจขนงได้นักการกัมพูชีขนงภูมิศาสตร์ภูมิตัวกปุ๊คมพนมปรักสระพนมปรักแขดบัดดำบองในเวลียมองดับปรำบุญหนึ่งโซนเนตีโยเทียไทยบานปราบปราดโดรนฮอรุมโลบโจขนงได้นักการกัมพูชีขนงภูมิศาสตร์ภูมิพนมปรักคมพนมปรักสระพนมปรักแขดบัดดำบองในเวลียมองดับปรำบุญหนึ่งปีเนตีโยเทียไทยบานปราบปราดโดรนรวมโลบโจขนงได้นักการกัมพูชีโจขนงภูมิพนมตัสดาภูมิตัสดาคมตัสดาสรกสมปืลุ้นแขดบัดดำบองในเวลียเมามาพายมวยนั่งมาพายเนตีโยเทียไทยบานปราบปราดโดรนเสิร์ฟกาฮอกดับสเปียบกาในขนมภูมิศาสตร์กรอยภูมิจุกเจยสเปียบกาในไงตีดับปรามไข่ธนูนำปีปอนมาพายปรามจับปีเวลียมองมวยหนึ่ง30 เนตีรำลงอัตรีโยเทียไทยบานปราบปราดโดรนตุ่มเละกรอบใบในภูมิศาสตร์บังตระกูลในเวลียมองปรำมวยหนึ่ง50 ปรำเนตีปรักโยเทียไทยบานจับดาวบังพลาวโจภูมิศาสตร์ภูมิปริจันในเวลียมองปรำปีหนึ่งโซนเนตีโยเทียไทยบานจับดาวบังพลาวโจภูมิศาสตร์ภูมิจุกเจยในเวลียมองปรำปีหนึ่งดับเนตีโยเทียไทยบานจับดาวปราปรักกับเพลิงถมบังโจขนงภูมิศาสตร์โอพลุกดำไรในเวลียมองปรำปีหนึ่งดับบุญเนตีโยเทียไทยบานจับดาวบังประหารดาวกับเพลิงถมโจขนงภูมิศาสตร์คมธมดาในเวลียมองปรำปีหนึ่ง40 บุญเนตีโยเทียไทยบานปราปรักโดรนปอมกบาดกรอบตุ่มเละเลอภูมิศาสตร์เจาะเจยจมเนี่ยจมพูสถานการณ์ในภูมิศาสตร์ดตเซงเตียดเมียนสเปียบสงัดงัดกองกำลังระบายยื่งบรรโตตามด้านดาวโยกจะตกดะหนึ่งปรงประหยัดผู้ชนิดกระทรวงการไปจิตกัมพูชีส่งทัวการจราจรจมพวกกับซับไซปรมินคล้ายบ่มเพลย์ข้อปิกาปิดแต่งสรงระบบพิกีไทยแต่บ้านเจ้าประกันเลียปัวหมกเลอกัมพูชีตัวสลักปิกาปิดแต่งสรงกระทรวงการไปจิตกัมพูชีส่งทัวการบัญชีจุนซาเจตไม่ถ่าโกได้ในการวิการเปียคล้วนระบบกัมพูชีคือดาวแต่เลิกโกได้โยเทียไทยประดอกมันสำได้เลิกโกได้จนสิเวลหรือก่อตีกันไลสิเวลหน้ามวยลอยปัญตาเมียนแต่เพียกีไทยเตะได้ทั่วกาเวียประหาหมกเลือดตีต่างประเจียจนสิเวลระบกัมปเจียได้มันหรือหมกมันเลือกโกได้แต่บ้านทั่วเอาประเจียจนสิเวลสโลตรังระบกัมปเจียบ้านบัดบองชีวิตเกิดมาดาวเป็นนี่เมียนจุ่มนวลดับมวยเนี่ยขนมนุ่มเมียนตีรุ่มมือรูปของได้หนึ่งบังกอเอาเมียนระบบจำนวน50 ประบุเนี่ย គិតត្រឹមថ្ងៃទី14ខែធ្នូឆ្នាំ2025ហើយអ្វីដែលគួរឲ្យកត់សម្គាល់បន្ថែមទៀតនោះគឺថាការចំនួននៃការប្រើប្រាស់យន្តហោះចម្បាំងទម្លាក់គ្រាប់បែក F-16 និងការប្រើប្រាស់គ្រាប់បែកចង្កោមរបស់យោធាថៃវាយប្រហារមកលើកម្ពុជាមានចំនួនកាន់តែកើនឡើងជាលំដាប់ចំពោះករណីដែលយោធាថៃបានចោទប្រកាន់ដោយគ្មានមូលដ្ឋានមកលើកម្ពុជាថាបានឃាត់និងបង្ខាំងពលរដ្ឋថៃមិនឲ្យធ្វើដំណើរចេញពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជាក្រសួងការពារជាតិសូមបញ្ជាក់ជូនថារាជរដ្ឋាភិបាលកម្ពុជាបានសម្រេចផ្អាកការធ្វើដំណើរចេញនិងចូលទាំងស្រុងតាមច្រកទ្វារព្រំដែនគោកនិងទឹកដែលជាប់ព្រំដែនកម្ពុជាជាមួយថៃដែលកំពុងមានអរិភាពប៉ុណ្ណោះក្នុងគោលបំណងដើម្បីការពារអាយុជីវិតនិងការរងរបួសរបស់ជនស៊ីវិលមិនថាជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរនិងជាជនបរទេសរួមទាំងប្រជាពលរដ្ឋថៃដែលកំពុងមានវត្តមានរស់នៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាផងដែរពីការបាញ់ប្រហារដោយមិនរើសអើងនៅតាមបណ្ដោយព្រំដែនពីសំណាក់យោធាថៃដោយមិនរាប់បញ្ចូលការធ្វើដំណើរតាមអាកាសនិងច្រកទ្វារព្រំដែនដទៃផ្សេងទៀតដែលគ្មានភាពតានតឹងឬក៏ច្រកព្រំដែនកម្ពុជាជាប់ជាមួយប្រទេសផ្សេងទៀតឡើយក្នុងន័យនេះកម្ពុជាសូមអំពាវនាវឲ្យសហគមន៍អន្តរជាតិកោតទោសយ៉ាងម៉ឺងម៉ាត់ចំពោះការរំលោភបំពានសេចក្តីថ្លែងការណ៍រួមស្តីពីកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃនិងសកម្មភាពឧក្រិដ្ឋកម្មសង្គ្រាមខុសច្បាប់របស់ថៃម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតនេះដោយទាមទារឲ្យថៃទទួលខុសត្រូវទាំងស្រុងចំពោះការរំលោភបំពានដ៏កម្រោលនេះកម្ពុជាអំពាវនាវឲ្យថៃបញ្ឈប់រាល់អរិភាពជាបន្ទាន់និងដកកម្លាំងចេញពីដែនអធិបតេយ្យរបស់កម្ពុជានិងជៀសវាងសកម្មភាពឈ្លានពានដែលគំរាមកំហែងដល់សន្តិភាពនិងស្ថិរភាពនៅក្នុងតំបន់កម្ពុជាបញ្ជាក់ជាថ្មីនៅការបដិញ្ញាចិត្តយ៉ាងខ្ជាប់ខ្ជួននៅការគោរពនិងអនុវត្តតាមលក្ខខណ្ឌនៃបទឈប់បាញ់សេចក្តីថ្លែងការណ៍រួមស្តីពីកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃប្រកបដោយសុឆន្ទៈនិងការទទួលខុសត្រូវខ្ពស់បំផុតកម្ពុជាប្រកាន់ខ្ជាប់នូវការដោះស្រាយជម្លោះដោយសន្តិវិធីស្របតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិក៏ដូចជាសន្ធិសញ្ញាអនុសញ្ញានិងកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងដែលមានស្រាប់ហើយប្រឆាំងនឹងការគំរាមកំហែងឬក៏ការប្រើប្រាស់កម្លាំងសម្ដៅស្វែងរកដំណោះស្រាយមួយដែលយុត្តិធម៌ត្រឹមត្រូវយូរអង្វែងនិងស្របតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិសូមគូបញ្ជាក់ផងដែរថាវីរៈកងទ័ពកម្ពុជាបាននឹងកំពុងបន្តឈរជើងយ៉ាងរឹងមាំស្វាហាប់មូលមុតនឹងនៅតែតស៊ូប្រយុទ្ធយ៉ាងស្វិតស្វាញតតាំងជាមួយសត្រូវឈ្លានពាននិងប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នខ្ពស់ជានិច្ចក្នុងការបំពេញតួនាទីរបស់ខ្លួនដើម្បីការពារបូរណភាពទឹកដីរបស់កម្ពុជាយើងក៏បញ្ជាក់ឡើងវិញនៅសិទ្ធិស្វ័យការពារដែនអធិបតេយ្យរបស់យើងដោយដែលមានចែងនៅក្នុងច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិដើម្បីការពារបូរណភាពទឹកដីនិងប្រជាជនរបស់យើងទោះក្នុងតម្លៃណាក៏ដោយសូមប្រជាពលរដ្ឋទាំងអស់បន្តជឿជាក់និងលើកទឹកចិត្តដល់វីរៈកងទ័ពដ៏អង់អាចក្លាហានរបស់យើងដែលកំពុងប្រយុទ្ធតស៊ូយ៉ាងខ្លាំងក្លានៅគ្រប់សមរភូមិទាំងអស់រាជរដ្ឋាភិបាលកងទ័ពនិងប្រជាជនរួបរวมគ្នាជាធ្លុងមួយក្នុងការការពារទឹកដីសេចក្តីថ្លៃថ្នូរនិងអធិបតេយ្យរបស់យើងដោយអង់អាចក្លាហាននិងមិនងាករេជាដាច់ខាតទោះក្នុងកលៈទេសៈណាក៏ដោយ Greetings to the general public and member of the press. This morning I would like to update on the situation of the Thai invasion and armed attack launched on Cambodian territory in the 4th and 5th military region on December 15, 2025, which entered the 9th day. The Thai side has continuously violated the ceasefire and the joint declaration signed by the Prime Minister, the Kingdom of Cambodia and the Kingdom of Thailand on October 26, 2025. Now I would like to update on the situation of the Thai aggression and attack on certain areas within the sovereignty territory of Cambodia. The frontline situation at the 4th military region remains calm, but our force continue to monitor closely and remain highly vigilant. Second, the frontline situation At the 5th Military Region, the Thai military continued its attack on Cambodia from 4 p.m. on December 14 to 8 a.m. on December 15, 2025. At 4:58 p.m., the Thai military force sailed into the area of Bang Trakun. At 5:33 p.m. and 6:07 p.m., the Thai military force sailed into the area of Prejchan village. At 6:38 p.m., the Thai military force used drones to violate Cambodian airspace in the area of Tulkpur village, Phnom Prek commune, Phnom Prek district, Bat Dambong province. At 7 p.m., the Thai military force used drones to violate Cambodian airspace in the area of Phnom Prek village, Phnom Prek commune, Phnom Prek district, Bat Dambong province. At 7:02 p.m., the Thai military force used drones to violate Cambodian airspace in the area of Phnom Sada village, Phnom Sada commune, Sampoi district, Bat Dambong province. At 9:20 p.m., the Thai military force used reconnaissance drone to monitor the situation behind the village of Chok Chei. On the morning of December 15, 2025, at 1:30 a.m. past midnight, the Thai military force used drone to drop bomb into the area of Bang Trakun. At 6:55 p.m., the Thai military force sailed into the area of Prejchan village. At 7 a.m., the Thai military force sailed into the area of Chok Chei village. At 7:10 a.m., the Thai military force sailed with the heavy artillery into the area of Opluk Damrai. At 7:14 a.m., the Thai military force sailed with heavy artillery into the area behind the area of Tmoda commune. At 7:44 a.m., the Thai military force used drones to bomb the area of Chejimneh border checkpoint. As the situation of other areas remained calm, but our force continue to monitor closely and remain highly vigilant. The Ministry of National Defense of Cambodia completely rejects the dissemination of the false information and distortion of the truth by the Thai side. We reiterate that Cambodians' right to self-defense is solely targeted at the Thai military targets and has never targeted on civilian area. Conversely, the Thai side has deliberately attacked locations where Cambodian civilians reside, resulting in the death of 11 innocent Cambodian civilians, including one infant, and injure 59 others as of December 14, 2025. It is also noteworthy that the number of fighter jets and the cluster bomb used by the Thai military to attack Cambodia has been increasing significantly. For the case of Thai military baseless accusation that Cambodia has unlawful detention of the Thai citizen, the Ministry of National Defense would like to clarify that the royal government of Cambodia has formally decided to suspend all entry and exit movement at the designated hostile land and maritime border checkpoint contiguous with the Kingdom of Thailand. This requisite measure has been implemented exclusively to safeguard civilian life encompassing both Cambodian national and all foreign residents, including the Thai citizens present within the territory of Cambodia, and to mitigate the risk of casualty directly attributed to the indiscriminate cross-border firing is executed by the Thai military force. It is imperative to note that unrestricted air travel, the border crossing with no hostile activity, and the border crossing with other sovereign states remain fully operational and are in no way impacted. In this sense, Cambodia called on the international community to strongly condemn Thailand's violation of the joint declaration and its repeated war crime and unlawful activities, as well as demand that Thailand take full responsibility for such brazen violation. Cambodia urged that Thailand immediately stop all hostile activity and withdraw its force from Cambodia's territorial integrity and avoid acts of incursion and aggression that threaten peace and stability in the region. Cambodia is firmly committed to respecting and implementing the terms of the ceasefire agreement, the joint declaration between Cambodia and Thailand, as well as all agreements previously reached by both parties with the highest sense of responsibility in good faith. Rather than resorting to acts of aggression or the use of force, Cambodia has been firmly adhering to resolving the dispute through peaceful means in accordance with international law. The existing treaty, conventions, and agreements so as to seek solution that is just, fair, long-lasting, and in compliance with international law. The royal government, the armed force, and the people of Cambodia at this most critical moment have remained united as one in defending our territorial integrity, national dignity, and sovereignty with courage and highly unwavering determination. សូមអរគុណចំពោះការតាមដានស្ដាប់នៃការធ្វើបច្ចុប្បន្នភាពអំពីស្ថានភាពនៅតាមបន្ទាត់ព្រំដែនកម្ពុជាថៃនៅក្នុងយុទ្ធភូមិភាគទី4និងទី5នៅព្រឹកនេះចំពោះការវិវត្តនៃសភាពការថ្មីៗផ្សេងទៀតនាងខ្ញុំនឹងជម្រាបជូននៅពេលក្រោយសូមអរគុណនិងសូមជម្រាបលា